Aluminised steel is basically aluminium coated mild steel.
Righto.
So it's actually coated inside and out with an aluminium coating to protect it from rust. And basically it's just a bit cheaper than stainless. However, it still lasts pretty good. So we give our aluminised steel a 2-year warranty. Stainless steel pretty much lasts forever. We give that a 10-year warranty.
Oh, big difference. Okay, so you've got quite a bit of difference when it comes to longevity, but what's the price difference?
Yeah, so it's pretty reasonable. On most systems, about $400 or $500 to upgrade to stainless. So, you get an extra 8 years warranty.
That's not bad, and probably a lifetime of use.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So we usually say if you're hanging onto your car for more than 5 years, go stainless.
Yep.
If not, the aluminised still does last pretty good. So, I've had guys, some of the first V8 Cruisers, we put a system on them.
Yep.
12 years later, they're only just coming in to replace it. So,
yeah. You can't argue with that. Mate, what about if you live on the coast? You're doing a lot of beach driving up and down off the beach all the time. Stainless?
Yeah, I'd go stainless. The salt water really gets in there and can rust it out pretty quick.
Yep.
So, this aluminised steel, we also paint it with a heat-proof paint. So it's got the aluminium coating and the heat-proof paint. So they do last pretty good, but if you're on the coast and exposing it to salt water, go stainless. Yeah.